Jan?
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Barakatuh.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, why do so many people like to insist that music is not haram when there is a hadith that states that instruments are haram?
Because music is beautiful. Music is fun. Music fills you with happiness and it changes your mood. When you're sad and you listen to cheerful music, it flips your mood. And when you're cheerful and you listen to love songs, it makes you depressed. It manipulates you. This is why they cannot swallow the fact that this is haram, that it is addictive, and that it transforms people and makes them do things that are not logical. Why would people, so many people insist on smoking? Why many women insist on exposing their body parts and showing off their awrah when there are so many verses of the Quran and hadith of the Prophet ﷺ? It is following your whims and desires. Each one of us has his own demons, and they, that is the demons, control us and maneuver us. And those who say that music is not haram, they're not known to be people of knowledge. And those who are known to be people of knowledge are definitely followers of Satan. I've been to countries in Southeast Asia where their da'is, their scholars, attend music festivals and they sit in gatherings and a musician comes and plays the guitar and the sheikh is going right and left. What is this? And they say that, well, there's nothing to support that music's haram. Subhanallah, no Quran verses, no authentic hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sunnah Abu Dawood and elsewhere, no agreement and consensus of the four schools of thought is fine with them. Yeah, because I've read a scholar of XYZ in Tasmania or somewhere, I don't know. He said that it is makruh. Who's the scholar? I don't know. I think his name is XYZ, I don't know. But he said it's makruh, so I'm following this. And all these great scholars and companions and the Salaf who said it's haram, you're not buying it? It's following whims and desires. May Allah protect us.